Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're venturing into the world of phrasal verbs that all begin with the letter V. Phrasal verbs are an important part of English, so let's get started and explore these together. Venture out. To go outside or explore, especially when it involves some risk. For example, I decided to venture out into the wilderness for a hiking adventure. Vouch for. To express confidence in or support someone's abilities or character. Like, I can vouch for his honesty. He's a trustworthy person. Vary from. To differ or be different from something. For instance, the prices can vary from one store to another. Veer off. To suddenly change direction, often while driving or moving. You might say, the car veered off the road. Vent frustration. To express or release pent-up anger or annoyance. For example, she went for a run to vent her frustration. Value highly. To hold something in high regard or consider it very important. Like, in this culture, family values are highly regarded. Voice concerns. To express worries or objections about something. For instance, employees voiced concerns about the new company policies. Vote against. To cast a vote in opposition to a proposal or candidate. You might say, I'll vote against that bill in the election. Vacate a place. To leave or exit a location, especially a property or building. For example, the tenants will vacate the apartment by the end of the month. Vet candidates. To carefully examine or assess candidates for a job or position. Like, the HR team will vet the candidate's qualifications. Ventilate a room. To allow fresh air to circulate in a room by opening windows or using fans. For instance, it's important to ventilate the kitchen while cooking. Visualize success. To mentally picture or imagine a successful outcome. You might say, athletes often visualize success before competition. Vow to make a solemn promise or commitment to do something. For example, they vowed to support each other through thick and thin. Vie for. To compete or contend for a prize, position, or honor. Like, several talented singers are vying for the title of Best New Artist. Venture into. To start or engage in a new and often risky activity or business. For instance, the company decided to venture into the international market. And there you have it, 15 phrasal verbs starting with V. Incorporate these into your language skills to enhance your English fluency. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more language learning content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning.